Let's bring in our guest to discuss, see what he thinks about it. Joining us from Detroit, Michigan, national trial attorney Michael Jaafar. Michael, you've been a bit critical of this defendant representing himself. How do you think that moment played in court?
I think what I'm seeing is that the train wreck continues of a defense. You know, maybe I bring in my own bias into this case. I mean, everybody brings their own bias into these analyses. My bias comes from the defense, from a public defender standpoint, a defense attorney standpoint. The minute that he wrote a letter to the judge accusing the judge of being part of a criminal conspiracy to cover up the crime and put him in jail, to me, he just lost all credibility. Now, I'm not the jury. I'm not sitting in the courtroom. Maybe the jury didn't see that. I think they did. They were not supposed to see it. But I think that the train wreck continues. I mean, what I'm seeing here is what all his defense tactics are, which is just to ask a bunch of questions to try to make it. He comes into this defense assuming that everybody is lying and conspiring to put him in jail. That's what he comes into this with, right? And so all of his questioning is in that line. And I've been in at those defense tables where I'm forced to represent somebody because a judge forced me to represent that person. And I try to talk sense into that person and tell that person, we cannot go down this line of inquiry. It's only going to hurt your case. And I'm vetoed because I'm not the decision maker. I'm the attorney. The defendant is the decision maker, and the defendant has the right to do whatever he wants. In this case, this man has a national platform. He's going down every line of inquiry he wants, and his questionings belabor points that don't help him. Now, a broken clock is right twice a day. He's been right on a couple of things that he's tried to expose. But is he making any dent in getting an ultimate acquittal? I don't believe so.